the girls say buy me cream, bro. Suppose I AIDS me did have. Suppose I herpes or one of them something me did have. Me that shame. I couldn't even come back here to come laugh with nobody or talk to nobody. Because I that feel a way in myself. You shouldn't do that, bro. And that hurt me. Because it's like say, people are saying them is not friends, them is not family. We are not friends, we are not family, but this girl is a girl who always on my life. I talk to her in my box. We laugh up together and whatever. And for she say, you force yourself in a relationship where they really love sit together. You force up yourself in it, then you want to turn on for call immigration for me. Matic has set me from this how the pastor man see me and this how the pastor man talk about a dear christening when they did dead. I would think say that person there. It was that person there, you bro. And you Matic dog. And then when they on the media I make it look like say, oh, TwepTwep jealous because our mate. One girl take away Matic. Nobody not take you away from me. And me left you, bro. And me stop talk to you. I stop talk to you because you're not cheer for me. Whenever I get through with certain things, you're not happy. You give me things and you talk about it. You've been talking about me with people and I hear back. If me and somebody have something on the media, you don't defend me. Um, your mouth just light. You just always when me and cuss you thought the worst set of things. And I just clap back on you. You know? It's like that are the only thing me I left for, bro. Me ain't left because I'm a man or you go catch me with a man or whatever. You cannot hate somebody where you don't have a beef with. So when you come here, so I have to tell people say, oh, she should go back to her baby father. I call you with him and ask him, I say, Matic, why you walk and tell people say, me you left because I go to my baby father? Oh, I never tell nobody that. I never tell them, Matic, I'm gonna tell you the real truth about you know, G. You don't know for do relationship thing. Because you're one. You could have gone for that look at me, you know. And you don't make sure know nothing about you. You don't make sure know your hand back, your neck back, your foot back, your heel side. And you just go and clutch. But you have a thing like this because they like to talk. You're the only person who knows say the food stamp cut because of HRA and DHS. You know why it cut because of the pay stub when I give them. Them say me I get too much money so them cannot give me food stamp for me. Them can only give me it for the baby. I don't know if I figure them, you tell her we're wrong, but you and me know, so I get not $30, I must not $60. I get $200 for the baby alone. You know me used to get $400 for food stamp plus cash assistance. Matic, you alone know them things here. You have my baby social, bro. Yo, my salt, you fuck, you just come like say that. People that feel like some vex traumatic move and I'm not vex that. I just vex at home to deal with the situation, bro. Matic shouldn't betray my dog. I'll never betray that. We could have moved on and call it a day, bro. Matic may could have moved on and we call it a day. We never dare move on in a war. We never dare move on in a I'm not gonna stop talking about this. You know, I'm not gonna stop talking about this because you know them little things hurt me, bro. Matic, even if you did take the girl and you tell her nothing about me, but I feel good, bro. Matic, me I go in a federal building, just got submit my paper last year, bro. And you hear every story what I tell people in. And you can't come back, come hear the girl talk it on her life, bro. Matic, me never sit down in front of her life and make tears run from me eye yet. It's either I hide the phone and lock off the light, bro. When I look no sympathy from nobody, bro. May I go through hungry. May I go through bike. Bike left where I look way out the west. We are hide from our landlord. Enough time may I come on TikTok and I say I'm going to try look at dollar for cook. Life, bro. Sit down and I said to Matthew yesterday, I say, how can you feel good for no say a whole stranger? I bring me down with the whole of my business where you don't know. Money are the root of all evil. Because of money, you start classing with people. I'm not chatting with nobody on my day with. I'm not chatting with nobody on my day with. I'm not chatting with nobody on my day with, bro. So what's your name there? What's your name there? I'm not vexed because I wear whatever. You ever say I don't know, I delusional. Girl, to me, you look one, it's like you look a father for me because this is just typically jealousy. This is just jealousy. Me not tell you say you can't take who you want take, you know. Me not tell you say you can't deal with Matic, you know. You can deal with Matic, but how you go about the situation, woman? You see, if you was just a person on TikTok who used to just, you know, and I'm live and coming, like, you know, like you say, big up yourself or whatever, wouldn't really feel no way. But I think I'm not going to bring it down still. We never feel no way that deep down, this one person will want see me downfall. This is like this person just sit down and watch me and Matic. Sit down so I watch it two away and I say, yeah, can't wait for them keep the bucket. I'm just end time there. So when I end time there, she must find out say me, you know, the girl have to go home in a deportation, you know. The pastor man tell me, you know, Matic, say somebody will come fuck up me, you know. You know when I talk about, you know, Matic. You know, me's a praying girl, you know, me always a see things in my blood clot through me a Pisces. I always tell you, say, God have a calling for me. You don't believe. I think me know when you go through with your past relationship, me know the hurt where you get. Me know where you go through. I'm a hold it down with you because I say, Church of God. Come like me and Matica face the same thing to blood clot. Dog, you shouldn't run your mouth, dog. You shouldn't run your mouth, brother. Yeah. So I say, I see the people on the page are go around and like she have one fake page because my comment on the video them when the people put up. She come and at me on my fake page. Cause she literally attack and I say, bitch, we're friends and I'm a born American. I don't care if you're born here. I don't care. I don't care if you're born here. I don't care if you want, if I immigration in your family. I say family, I don't give a fuck. I don't care. Matic supposed to tell you that, say, girl, she not care about it. I don't care. If my for day, yeah, so. Immigration, ICE, security, nobody cannot take me from God say, yes, so me for day. I don't care. I just don't care. I don't care who the fuck your family want to be. So that means say you come take my ex-girlfriend then. This is the plan we did have for me then. You come take my ex-girlfriend for call immigration for me. That is fucking jealousy, bro. Yeah, you fight your way in for take my ex-girlfriend. And then you turn around and call immigration for me. Like, fuck you, fuck immigration. Right now, I don't care. A particular person called me where they are show me a vibe yesterday and I said, Mama, love it. Budo. Just make it go on. Me I talk to my right side, I have to know that thing. I don't care. Matic know my full name. Matic know my A number. Make sure give all of them and bring it, go do what you want to do. Bring it, go do what you want to do. Because it's like you're not happy for me, you're not happy say I have my baby, you're not happy say Matic, dear or no Matic, you're not happy say me and Matic was together, you're glad say we left for coming in, so you can't force me out of you can't get, it's like you want to force me out or you want to force me out of the country. I don't fucking care if you're born here. I don't give a fuck. Exactly, Kay. I'm not business. I don't care. Matic, see how much people come at me and the knife them just a pine upon me so none of the knife them can't touch me. Never prayed, mother. Matic knows I love fasting. I love prayer. The fuck tell about immigration? Who the fuck care about immigration? But that's why I'm go somewhere far. I did forget an apartment in a Bronx. I'm tell my caseworker say no, Queens. So when me and Matic good, I don't even make Matic know where I live. Big up yourself, Pepsi Wagwan. Yeah. Not even make people know where I live. Oh. Yeah. Wash it out. You understand me? When I make, they know when my head rests. Good morning. Good morning. Yes, that now not to do with me. You put up your body and I show your body and re and take. Remain in a competition, girl. I'm naturally shaped good. I have a good pussy under my foot. Naturally shaped good. I run down a competition with a mate story. None of them could think that this big paragraph on the internet, yeah, right. Like say, I know you from somewhere. I don't know you from nowhere, girl. You just did nothing in a me a Matic thing. As somewhere I know you. If me and Matic have a problem, you're enough up in it. You're the first to come enough up in it. And to you're enough up in it, you're forcing yourself. But as I say, I know which part Chantel Bailey art there. Me I tell you, and if me seriously boring, I can drop cut all losses and go right on a 219. And you just cannot call back in a real life. If me really now you hear me? I am now. Yeah. Are you want cool now, Shai? If me seriously say, alright then, competition a go on, what you go on? We can cut off everybody, man everybody, and go right on a 219, and you can't call back. You just come for your bike, and nobody want a bike, because some would do it. And Mati know this. I tell you, a problem I don't want. So when you're on the media, I try to make it look like say me and me girl, me and a mate. Because right now, I know where I art there. I know exactly where I art is. I can make sure you gear back your bike. You don't have to gear back the money. Me can start. Me can go back for Matic. I don't want to. I don't you betray me once, you will do it twice. Yeah. The fuck? No, I'm not say I would do it. I just say out of example, I not say I would do it. Come on, man, we move on 4 months, 3 months now, I go 4 months now. I just show you. So you cannot break something we built together. You cannot break that. Yeah. Say hi. Say hi. Laugh with them see. Do the laugh, make them see mommy. But yeah. Do the laugh. Yeah. Do it again. Do the laugh, mommy. Do the laugh again, mommy. Do it again with MC, mommy. Do the laugh, mommy. Do it now with MC. Yeah. Yo, I said that little girl I want. Yo. Yeah. Do it, mommy. Yeah. Yo, I love you one more time. God knows. They say, dear, have a laugh. Then I tell you, Sarah. Oh my God, yo, she keep happy, bro. Yeah, tell you, dear, we see us to keep happy. So that girl, yeah, look on her good. Stop talking to her. She, I go pave a big way for me in a foreign. God is a, you see, she is a blessing. Is a blessing. God, wait then the she, nothing she will feel. Yeah. Nothing she will feel. Yeah. She will do. Yeah, I do. What time is it? What? Them time I'm coming in, I'm not coming in. Yeah, so she, my daughter, yes, so. A miracle baby this man. Miracle. And you know what made me go live yesterday? Because when I did call Matic the day before, and Matic has said our girlfriend in an argument with her because they're around there. I said, they're around there. Why you keeping Dior and what? Um why always like she wants to say is not Matic produced Dior, so she not supposed to vex if she can't see Dior. Cause Mat to me, but no Matic, I tell her yesterday, I say you never cut you off from the baby. Just not deal back with me, no see me and not nothing. Just avoid me, bro. You get me? Me know that tear her up. So no more than look like say Matic vex will come the whole baby from her in our day. And then she said to Matic, say, yeah, why you so upset like is you created is you're the father for you're not the real father, it's not a real child. It's not a real child. Like that make me go live, bro. Come here and say, no man, that girl really did hate me. And that made me go live, bro. I feel like I owe Matiko and David and him someday. I feel like, you know, I accept the baby. I have to accept the baby at the end of the day. The baby know Matic more than anybody else. The baby know Matic. We can let the baby with Matic and walk and she nah ball. Cry, forgot Matic. The baby cry, forgot to Matic. Did not hear me? Oh, we take it from her while. The baby cry, forgot to her. Cry, 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 cry. Yeah, she cry, 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 forgot to her. So even if the baby are waiting him there, you can't just want go in a people's life and I go tell them say, you're not the real father. It is not your child. You cannot do that. This girl actually watched Dara come from inside of me. You cannot do that. And then you come for the media, come and tell me your family, them are this. I don't care what the fuck your family want to be. I don't care. I don't care. If it's like you're there with the girl and me you're there with. Because you obviously every minute you talk about me, you watch my page. If I post up something, you screenshot it and send it go give Matic. You send it back go give her, Matic talk it. I mean, I said to Matic, say, before I know say she, I say, why should I do that though? I mean, I did or nothing. Why should I do that? Because somebody comment and say, TwepTwep, why you Matic left? I say, that is between me and Matic. Once Matic and you are good, that's fine with me. You screenshot that and you watch me, you pest the girl about me. And then you come live and I talk my business like say, may you come from far and may you did go through certain things and then some the girl. When you see people business by internet and you're jealous of it. When you're jealous of people business by internet. Me even turn to Matic and I said to Matic, say, you can bring the go pay girlfriend you had no come, I didn't want she keep her for me the day. Never know say she, never know say you. If somebody come in for Matic live and say, one TwepTwep, you vex, you block the people. So what you really did so I say you did hate me. And that my friend called me and tell me because my friend work down away name there, you know. Down at the building where you do the biometrics. My friend work down there. My friend said she watch live and so on and hear. I tell her from morning, I tell her yesterday, I said, come on, in the business. She could have family where president in a business. Oh. Morning. Could have family where the president, the mayor, I don't care. I don't care. You want to come take people. You're running a my ex-life for call immigration for me. And that you plan for do. Running a Matic life, in a Matic life for call immigration for me. So you bribe her. You take out bike, you take out phone. You bribe her. Yeah, so through your bribe her now, she start give bare information about me. You's a snake. You come for, you don't want to see me a foreign. You don't want to see me America. So you bribe Matic with bike and new phone and money and take out by the same car when me and Matic buy. You bribe her. You dip on the live of the day when me a talk and I say, me and Matic I go buy a car and them something there. And you dip on, congratulations, one Matic, ray. Girl, you're evil, you could have killed me, girl. And that's the point to me I try to make people get to. You could have killed me, girl. You could have literally killed me. A true, Ali and a lie. Ali she black. Ali she one black. When Ali come and say one TwepTwep, she argue with Matic over Ali comment. Matic, let me tell you something. Matic love me. I know 1 month and 1 week and yesterday is a hungry, suffer, bring down, drag, broke, staring our face, one another face and have shit type of love we did I go through. You hear me tell you? Oh, I true Matic turn cruff now for make gyal take out bike for her. And I take out phone, I Matic cruff out herself, you know. When I meet Matic in how much partner, put me all in a partner, Matic throw $100 hand for me. Partner. When Matic get her partner, me I get her half of the money. Girl, a serious relationship with it in her. So when they come and tell me, say me if you use my credit and beat you, I can't use a credit and beat you, mama. If me go build credit in a foreign, I go build it from the sake of my baby. Me can't build credit in a foreign for hype and a girl with somebody else. I cannot do that. You are the one who is delusional. You're crazy. You're crazy for true. You go feel like that. You're crazy. I cannot build my credit in a foreign. Then you ever say, you fucking lie, you don't have no social, you don't have no work permit. Matic have come live, come talk that let me hear. Matic are the one who will come with me and see the whole of my mail then. So that means they sit down here and watch me and I come on TikTok and tell people and say, I get through with this and get through with that. And you did there congratulate me. Obviously, you just did that hate me, bro. That me a talk about, girl. Me and have to be friends, me and have to part together. But because I know you're on social media, you always on my life. And you always, you don't talk up to me on live. You come in on my box. You call Matic your bro. Why wouldn't you call Matic your brother? But I don't really blame you, you know. You know who I blame? Matic. You know why? I want Matic about them something. I say, Matic, people are going to come around and them jealous over how people are live. Do not let in strangers in your life. You see the same way how them want to drag me and mix and see my downfall. They are going to see your downfall. Matic, this girl, the same way how she want to call immigration for me and I tell boy family and immigration. If you for stop talk to she and run she and not make you feel pleased, immigration shall call for you. I look at your visa you come here upon. I am married. You can blood clot stay there. Them people are evil people, bro. Oh, evil people, bro. Same way that girl look like say if she can't get what she want, should have go down and immigration and tell them be your life for me. Just because what you're jealous over my past relationship. You're jealous over my past relationship, bro. And then people they on the internet and make it look like say me and you argue over. Me and I argue over no butch. I'm jealous some of this. You remind me of the African show. You remind me of the African show, girl. A ball yesterday. If really a ball come and say, Bumbo clan, Matic not easy, you know? Matic not easy. Matic, sit down and think about Sierra. I'm not going to warn you again. Sit down and think about Sierra. Alright. Put them in a Sierra shoes. Alright. Don't talk to you. I pray for you last night, you know. I pray for you last night. I pray for you last night, because you see, when I tell you, you lose it, bro. The business, if you want there with her, you say, no, that's not my business. I don't care, they will do you want there with. Because me, they will do me want there with. And you can't stop that, me can't stop it from there do you want there. But be careful. Be careful. Oh. I don't care if she's black American, white American, Chinese American, me have a Yankee cousin too. I don't care. Me have my family, them are born here. I don't care. Oh, I don't care what she want me. I saw them stay. Them like to use them. I saw them stay. Them like use papers and fight immigrants. I'm glad that the state of me in New York. When you can't fight me just so. But me and I play with you now when you're born here. When you can't fight me up just so. So I don't see the girl them come through the border when I follow them up on a talk about deport this. So you can't follow we up. You don't know the law is set. We have more rights down. You can't follow we up. Oh. Then stay about Barney. This is what one Barney. Anybody want Barney? I'm a piss on ya. She Barney me piss on ya. Oh. Now, because somebody in my class, somebody in my just has say, but all I can want something I left with Matic. Want something, remember Sierra. Alright. Remember Sierra. Remember in the call. Remember in the call. The police carried them full up from 219 N to Boston Road. Remember Sierra. Now one, you know, hey. Get up on your foot and go back to work. As bad as how you bring me, your class me and chatting with people, I'm not going to happy to see bad happen to you. Because at the end of the day, me and you was like that. Even though I move on, I just ask him I have. I'm not going to happy to see nothing bad happen to you. Borrow the money, do something. Because trust me, it's a dragon. Oh. Some of them family run after so them born here. Now look upon them. Matic supposed to tell she said, "Tell me afraid of anything." Girl, if you call me name right now and you come down and building walk with my head eyes so go straight in there because you and a God. Oh. Oh, good credit. Good credit. So we kill this in a foreign no I use credit for man. So when it day, yeah, man. No competition na day them love. No prank. No competition na day with me and you. None. No competition at all na day. No competition. You mad? And me alone see that girl the ball. No competition na day. Just a fight and losing back like you in a business. Oh, man, no competition with you. Oh, you've been move on. So what's the problem? You've been move on. You don't care if more move on. You know name Chantel Bailey. You know my business and Chantel Bailey business and your business. You're not supposed to post my baby father and me. You're not supposed to put up nothing about me. You're not business about me and Matic. You're not supposed to put up, you're not supposed to even utter nothing to your mouth about me and Matic. Nothing. Where were you? You're not supposed to utter nothing to your mouth. Oh, like that my vexed Matic fuck. Matic a big mascot. Blood clot idiot. Like the girl I make girl know your belly bottom and you don't know girl from nowhere. So you love money and love sweets. Yeah? Me I look for the woman said, me tell immigration said, me get rape and and whatever, what's it, and that's a fraud. Your immigration think, blood clot. You know, go there, call me name man to them, man. But when I come here for a visa and run a file, you know, them have been at the system, fingerprinting at the system. So anyway, when I call me name, they know which part to find me. Yeah, they know which part of Queens to find me. Yeah, because my name and my fingerprint and my eye, and my eye scan everything in the system. So my Matic gave my full name. I just carry it down there, they know where to find me. Right through. Yeah. They know where to find me. Yeah. Ask her if I know one time I go down to one building. Ask her if I them come to me when I don't have the shelter. Them know where to find me. And them come to me. You can't take me out here. Your family can't take me out here. No, I wait up with a back like calendar water. Oh. People that me damn boy, the wrong Yankee you fuck with. Fuck you! Blood clot. I want to split the script like chin. Go wrong Yankee. Blood clot. Come see me and the girl on the internet and jealous over me. Jealous over me. Jealous over how Matilda have up there and talk about there. Jealous how Matilda died at hospital with me when they were born. Jealous over me and my baby. Jealous. And me and my daughter. So I screenshot one only per comment to the woman. The screenshot one only per comment to she defend my baby dear, pretty baby dear, Matic what? My gosh, she have a comment to she say, that's why I never respect my bro Matic, you know, because he love him family. One only per something she used to write. A mad girl that. Sick girl that them girl when them can't get a for them way, is either them pay people for kill you or them set up in a life. Matic try run and go